EHang is an autonomous aerial vehicle technology platform company. Inspired by dreams and driven by innovation, the world's first autonomous aerial vehicle was successfully created. EHang AAV, a globally recognized product, can be used in tourism, medical rescue, logistics, and air transportation. The new era of urban air mobility has started. Rain or wind, day or night, we've never halted our testing work. People-oriented and safety first, we've created the world's first AAV command and control center to accurately monitor data from the EHang AAV and complete remote route control. We worked together with global partners in China, Netherlands, Qatar, and Austria to pilot the 5G network-connected AAV flight demonstrations and explore the future world's digital sky. AAV's one success after another has convinced us that the air taxi is within our reach. The sky ceases to be unattainable. All of yesterday's visions will be our shared tomorrow. When intelligent AAV puts wings on logistics, technology brings infinite convenience to people's lives. EHang accumulates technologies to create intelligent AAV logistics solutions. EHang, hand in hand with DHL, launched the world's first fully automated air delivery service by integrating smart cabinets, partnering with Yongwei Superspecies, opened the world's first store with intelligent AAV delivery service. EHang empowers the customers in the logistics, retail, and e-commerce fields to fly into a more open, intelligent, and efficient air logistics era. Every second counts in urban development. Our mission to guard this process shall suffer no delay. EHang's fully networked management of its Smart City Command and Control Center arms its intelligent AAVs with innovative distributed deployment to create a ground-sky linkage platform enabling convenience for traditional industries by providing firefighting, transportation, water conservancy, environmental protection, and news reporting with the innovative and intelligent aerial platform solutions. As AAV technology combines light artistry, EHang AAV light shows light up the sky. Thanks to the extraordinary capabilities of our autonomous flight control system and highly accurate in-flight positioning, one person can control thousands of intelligent AAVs simultaneously, which have broken the world records time and time again. With years of experience and innovation, EHang has solidified itself as a pioneer in the intelligent UAV industry. EHang has dedicated itself to establishing an intelligent and connected aerial system to make the world smarter. That's not only a possibility, that's our mission.